In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a communication site in SharePoint Online. A communication site is designed specifically for effectively broadcasting information broadly across your organization. It isn't about collaborative work, but rather about one-to-many communication, making it ideal for sharing news, reports, and status updates that everyone should see. To begin, you'll need to sign in to Microsoft 365 using your work or school account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the SharePoint app through the app launcher. This is where your journey begins. On the SharePoint homepage, you should see an option labeled Plus Create Site. Go ahead and click on it. From the menu options, make sure to select Communication Site. This will set you on the right path for creating a platform aimed at large-scale communication and information sharing. Next, you'll need to choose a template or layout for your site. Typically, you'll find three options: Topic, Showcase, and Blank. The topic layout is great if your focus is on sharing news, events, and general information. It's visually consistent and straightforward, making it easy to disseminate messages. If you want a more visually driven approach, highlighting images or products, the Showcase option is ideal. It allows for creative expression with its emphasis on visuals. Lastly, if you want complete creative control, opt for the Blank template, where you design everything from scratch. Now it's time to fill in some critical site information. Start with the site name, which is essentially how your site will be identified. It's important to choose a name that reflects the purpose or the main theme of your content. You also have the option to include a site description. While optional, this is quite beneficial as it gives visitors a clearer understanding of what the site is intended for. Keep it concise and informative. Another important aspect is selecting the language. Remember, this is a critical decision because once you select the language, you cannot change it later on. Be sure to choose what best fits your audience's needs. Additionally, depending on your organization's settings, there might be an optional field for site classification or sensitivity. If applicable, make sure you consider this carefully, as it aligns with your organization's data privacy and handling policies. Once everything is in place, click on Create. Your communication site will be created and is typically located under the site's path. To access it, you can find it among the sites you follow or browse through the available sites in SharePoint. By following these guiding steps, you'll successfully launch a communication site on SharePoint Online tailored for impactful and efficient information broadcasting within your organization.